War Day number 994. 994 days ago, the war started in Ukraine and everything has been changed in the world. Welcome today in the daily newspaper of Wednesday, November the 13th, 2024. Yeah, next week it will be 1,000 days, 1K, the war. Well, in today's newspaper we have three regular puzzles. Those puzzles are the 3 stars, the 4 star Sudoku, and the binary. We have also an additional with extra puzzles. Those puzzles are the letter Sudoku. We have a 2 stars, 3 stars, and a 4 stars Sudoku. We have 2 jigsaw Sudokus, one with 4 stars, one with 1 star. In Dutch they call it cipher block, in Japanese Suguru. And the last puzzle is the binary puzzle. These puzzles I'm not interested. Total of 7 extra puzzles. 4 of them I will solve not now but in the evening. Now I will start with this 3 stars Sudoku. 3 stars Sudoku. This will be number 9581. 9581. Before I start, I always count the printed digits. This one has 26. Yes. Usually the 3 stars has 25 printed digits. This one has 26. Should be a 2 stars puzzle. A 2 stars puzzle I need 15 to 20 minutes to solve. Well, it's indicated by the publisher with the 3 stars. 3 stars puzzle I need 20 to 30 minutes. Question is this a 3 stars or 2 stars puzzle? We don't know. We'll see. So let's get started. Let me see which number can I pick. How about yeah, 7 in this row, 7 in the last row. So the row between the only place level 7 should be there. 4 missing numbers now in this big square. One of the missing numbers is 3. We have 3 in this row, last row. No 3 in these 3 boxes. So 1 box left with a 3 in this big square should be there. 6, 8. Then 6, 8. Let me see. How about 5, 5. Need a 9 here. Need a 9 there. Need a 6 there. Need a 8 here. 8. That means we need an 8 there. 5 in this row, 5 in the middle row. So the row below, the only 2 places left for the 5 should be here or there. We have a 5 in this column, no 5 there. 5 should be here. Need a 5 here. Need a 5 there. 5. Need a 5 here. Need a 5 here. Then, yeah. Well, complicated, but we have here in this big square 5 missing numbers. One of the missing number is a 5. We have 5 in this column, no 5 in this box. We have 5 in the third row, no 5 in those 2 boxes. So the 5 in this big square could be here, could be there. In this big square we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 missing numbers. One of the missing numbers is 5. We have 5 in this row. Oh wait. 2 of those missing numbers are the 5 and the 6. We have 5 and the 6 in this row, so no 5 and the 6 in these 2 boxes. We have 5 and the 6 in this column, no 5 and the 6 in those 2 boxes. So 2 boxes left in this big square for the 5 and the 6 goes in these 2 boxes as a pair, 5 and the 6, 5 and the 6. So we have a 5 in one of those 2 boxes in the last column, 5 in the column next. So that column, only 2 places left for the 5 should be here or there. Well, we have a 5 in one of those 2 boxes in this row, so no 5 there. 5 should be here. Alright, then. 3 missing numbers now in this big square. Those missing numbers are the 1. He's missing the 2. He's missing the 3, the 4, the 5, and the 6. 7, the 8, and the 9. He's missing 1, 2, 9. 1, 2, 9, 1, 2, 9, 1, 2, 9. And look, we have 2 and a 9 in this row. No 2 and a 9 in this box. 2 and a 9 goes in those 2 boxes as a pair. 2 and a 9, 2, 9. So 1 digit left in this big square for number 1. Alright, 2 numbers left now in this row. For numbers, the 1 is missing. The 2. And the 3 is missing. 1 and 3, 1 and 3. We have 1 in the third column. No 1 there. 1 should be here. And the 3 goes there. 1, 1, 1, 7, and a 3. Well, we have 3 numbers in the second column. Yeah. In this big square, we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 missing numbers. 3 of those missing numbers are the 1, the 3, and the 7. We have a 1, the 3, and a 7 in the first column. No 1, 3, and a 7 in these two boxes. We have a 1, the 3, and a 7 in the third column. So no 1, and a 3, and a 7 in those two boxes. The 1 and 3 got 7, and it goes in these 3 boxes. 1, 3, 7, 1, 3, 7, 1, 3, 7. White. So I need a 2 there, need a 2 there, and I need a 9 there. Okay, so what are these 3 missing numbers? 5, 6, 8, 5, 6, and need an 8 there. Well, in this big square we need 8. We have 8 in the first row, no 8 in these 3 boxes. So the 8 could be here, could be there. 8 in the first row, 8 in one of those two boxes in the third row. So the row between the second row, the only 2 places left for 8 should be here or there. We have 8 in the last column, no 8 there. 8 should be there. Then 1, 8 and the 6. 1, 8 and the 6. Okay. Need a 9, 9, 9, 9, 9, 9. 9, 9. Well, we have a 9 in this column, 9 in the middle column, so the column next, the only 2 places left, 9 should be here or there. We have a 9 in the second row, no 9 there, 9 should be there. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 missing numbers in this big square. One of the missing numbers is 7. We have a 7 in this row, no 7 in these 3 boxes. We have a 7 in this column, no 7 in those 2 boxes. So 1 box left for the 7 in this big square should be there. 4 missing numbers now in this big square. One of the missing numbers is 1. We have 1 in this row, no 1 in these 3 boxes. So 1 box left for the 1 in this big square should be there. So what are these 3 missing numbers then in this big square? For the numbers, the 1, the 2, 3 is missing, 4 is missing, the 5, and the 6 is missing. 3, 4, 6. 3, 4, 6, that means 1 digit left in this row. For number 1, the 2 is missing. Okay, and now need a 2 there. Okay, 6. In this big square, we need a 6. We have a 6 in the third row. We have a 6 in one of those 3 boxes in the second row. So in the first row, the only 3 places left, 6 will be here, here, or there. We have a 6 in this column, no 6 there. 6 could be here, could be there. Then 4. I need a 4 here. 1, 2. Yeah, well, I think this box should be an 8 because it can be 1, can be 2, can be 3, can be 4, can be a 5, can be 6, can be a 7, should be an 8, can be a 9. Yes, we got you. Hit the number 8. Okay, that means 2 numbers left in the second column. For numbers 1, 2 is missing. The 3, the 4. And a 5 is missing. 2 and a 5, 2 and a 5. We have a 2 in this row, no 2 there. 2 should be here, 5 goes there. And here I've eliminated the 5, so the 5 goes there. And I've eliminated now the 6, so the 6 goes there. So 1 digit left in this big square. For number 1, the 2, the 3, the 4 is missing. Well, 5 and a 6. We have a 5 now in this row. No 5 there. 5 should be here. And the 6 goes there. Then 2. No. 1 box left in this row for number 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. There's missing 2 numbers left in this big square. For number 1, the 2 is missing. The 3, the 4, the 5, the 6, the 7, the 8, 9 is missing. 2 and 9, 2 and 9. We have a 9 in this column, no 9 there. 9 should be here, and a 2 goes there. 2 numbers left in this first column for number 1. 2 is missing, the 3 and the 4 is missing. 2 and 4, 2 and 4. We have a 2 in the middle row, no 2 there. 2 should be here, and a 4 goes there. 2 numbers left now in this big square for numbers. The 1, the 2, the 3, the 4, the 5, 6 is missing, the 7, 8 is missing, 6 and 8, 6 and the 8. Let me mark those 2 boxes. Alright, 3, 4, 6. Well, 3, 4, 6, we have a 4 in this column, and we have a 4 in that column. So the column between the middle column, the only place left the 4 should be here. So the other 2 numbers should be the 3 and the 6. 3 and the 6, we have a 3 now in this column, no 3 there. 3 should be here, and the 6 goes down. 3 in this column, 3 in that column, so the column 3 in the middle column, the only place level 3 should be there. 1 box left now in the middle column for number 1, the 2, the 3, the 4, the 5, the 6 is missing. Then let me see, 6 in this column, 6 in the middle column, so the column next, the only 2 place left, the 6 should be here or there. We have 6 in this row, no 6 there, 6 should be here. 6 and 8, we have 6 now in the middle row, no 6 there, 6 should be here. 8 goes there. 1 and 8. Well, 1, 8 and 7. I need a 7 here. It should be the 7. 6, 5, 9. How about the 3? 3. No. How about the 2? 2, 2. 2 in this row, 2 in the middle row. So in the row above, the only 2 places left, the 2 should be here or there. We have a 2 in this column, no 2 there, 2 should be here. 2 to 9, we have a 2 now in this column, no 2 there, 2 should be here. 9 goes there. 9 in this row, 9 in that row, so in the row between the middle row, the only 2 places left, 9 should be here or there. We have a 9 in this column, no 9 there, 9 should be here. 9 in the last column, 9 in that column, so the column between, the only 2 places left, 9 should be here or there. We have a 9 in the first row, no 9 there, 9 should be here. 1 box left now in this row for number 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 is missing here. 7 in the last column, 7 in that column, so the column between. The only place left 7 should be there. 3 missing numbers in this row. 1 of the missing numbers is 7. Here came 7. We have 7 in the last column, no 7 there. Here came 7. We have a 7 in this column, no 7 there. So the only place left 7 in this row should be there. So the 1 and the 3 are left. Okay. 7 in this row, 7 in that row, so the row between the middle row, the only place left is 7 should be there. 1 box left now in this column for number 1, 2, 3, 4 is missing. Then how about the 4 in this row, 4 in the middle row, so the row below, the only 2 places left, the 4 should be here or there. We have 4 in this column, no 4 there, 4 should be there. 1 and 3, 2 numbers left in the last column for numbers. The 1 is missing, the 2 and the 3 is missing. 1 and 3, 1 and 3. We have a 3 in this row, no 3 there. 3 should be here and 1 goes there. 1 box left now in this big square for number 1. 2 numbers left now in this big square for numbers 1 and 2. 3 is missing. The 4, the 5, the 6, the 7, and 8 is missing. 3 and 8, 3 and 8. We have 8 in the middle row, no 8 there. 8 should be here and a 3 goes there. 1 and a 3, we have a 3 now in the middle row, no 3 there. 3 should be here and a 1 goes there. 1 in this row, 1 in the middle row, so the row below, the only place left the 1 should be there. 2 numbers left now in this big square for numbers. The 1 is missing, the 2, 3, the 4, the 5, the 6, the 7, 8 is missing. 1 and 8, 1 and 8. We have 1 in this column, no 1 there. 1 should be here and 8 goes there. And the final number in this big square for number. The 1, the 2, the 3, the 4, the 5, the 6, the 7, the 8 is missing. Finished in 30 minutes. Well, we solve it again. 3 stars, no. 2 stars, no. 1 star, no. Should be a 0 stars. I'm faster than 13 minutes. So, well, please with the time. And I like this one. Yes, I really do think so. Thumbs up. Otherwise, thumbs down. You can also download this PDF file so you can make it also by yourself. Thank you again for watching. See you in a minute with other 2 puzzles. Until then, bye-bye for now.